Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of professional cookware with the Made in Cookware 10-piece stainless steel pot and pan set, expertly crafted in Italy to elevate your culinary experience. This set includes a 10-inch and an 8-inch stainless clad frying pan, an 8-quart stock pot with a lid, a 4-quart saucepan with a lid, a 2-quart saucepan with a lid, and a 3-quart saucier pan with a lid, making it essential for every kitchen. Designed with 5 layers of premium metal, this cookware offers superior heat distribution, ensuring maximum heat control and responsiveness for all your cooking needs. The Stay Cool handles are meticulously crafted and fastened with stainless steel rivets, providing a lifetime of comfortable use. Plus, with a top layer of 430 stainless steel, these pots and pans are compatible with any cooktop, including induction, making them incredibly versatile. Whether you're a professional chef or an expert home cook, this set is designed to meet the highest standards of quality and performance. So, get ready to transform your cooking with the Made in Stainless Clad set, where exceptional craftsmanship meets unparalleled functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.